In a calm, quaint valley far away, there lived a mighty lion named Iman. With a heart as vast as the ocean and a roar that could echo across worlds, Iman carried the strength of 1,000 suns. But with such strength came a heavier duty, and his was the fight for justice and the culture he cherished so dearly. In the valley of Najaf, beneath the starry cloak of the night, a faint rustle alerted Iman. His wise, golden eyes spotted shadows crafting mischief. The hyenas of discord, under their cunning leader, Deceit, plotted to upset the peace of Najaf by spreading lies and fear. Each dawn, the whispers would grow. Seeds of mistrust were sown among the peaceful creatures, unsettling their hearts and pricking their dreams. Iman, steadfast as the mountains, knew that this was a time to roar for righteousness. But how does one undo the crooked tales spun by shadows? With a heart full of resolve, Iman called for the assembly of the righteous, a gathering of all creatures who believed in the warmth of the sun that rose over Najaf. Trust in kindness, he would assert with a voice that was both balm and command. It's the mantle we wear even in the dark. Yet, the mischievous hyenas did not tire. As twilight painted the skies in hues of orange and purple, they laid traps of deception. But Iman's keen senses were never caught unaware. He watched over his fellow creatures as a protector, mindful of the traps that lay in their path. One fateful day, the valley was clad in silver mist. The hyenas, thinking this the perfect cloak, unleashed their boldest falsities yet. It was said a great drought would come if the creatures continued to trust in harmony. Fear gripped the creatures' hearts like relentless vines. Iman decided it was time to confront Deceit face to face. And so, on a thunderous night, the ground reverberated with the roar declaring the Great Council. Beneath the old, wise oaks, Iman stood unfaltering. Deceit, he thundered, why choose darkness over the light of truth? Why sow discord where harmony can flourish? Deceit snickered, the gleam in his eye as sharp as the edge of a blade. For with fear, he sneered, comes control. But Iman's voice shook the very stars. Nonsense. For with truth comes understanding, and with understanding comes peace eternal. In that moment, the creatures saw the light, a shimmer of truth glistening in their eyes. Unity fluttered on their backs like butterflies, and their hearts blazed with courage. Realizing the futility of his sinister ways, Deceit's plans crumbled. The hyenas scattered, their cackling vanishing into the folds of the night. Light triumphed as the valley sighed in relief, enveloped once more in the embrace of truth. And so, Iman, the mighty lion of justice, stood proud, his roars carried by the gentle winds, singing songs of justice and unity. From then on, harmony reigned supreme in the valley, forever safeguarded by the watchful spirit of Iman, who knew that righteousness, like a beacon, guided the way back to peace. And the creatures of Najaf, whenever they felt the pinch of doubt sowing inside, would remember with grateful hearts the roars of the lion who fought for justice, who fought for their belief.